Hello everyone. Passive of sentences containing prepositions. In some sentences, there is a preposition after the verb. It will be kept with the verb while changing the sentence into passive. And its examples are: he was looking at the picture. This is an active voice. And its passive will be: the picture was being looked at by him. Next is: he spoke to me. And the passive voice will be: I was spoken to by him. Passive of verbs with object and object complement. When a verb has both an object and object complement, only the object is made the subject. The object complement comes after the third form of the verb and before by plus subject. And its examples are: they elected him president. And the passive voice is: he was elected president by them. We may take another example also. The teacher made Mohan monitor. And answer is: Mohan was made monitor by the teacher. Use of vague subject. People, they say, believe, assume is changed into it is believed, said, assumed, etc. For example, people say that the earth is round. This is an active voice and its passive voice will be: it is said that the earth is round, or it can be written as the earth is said to be round. Use of prepositions other than by. His work satisfied me. This is an active voice and its passive voice will be: I was satisfied with his work. My story interested him and its passive voice will be: he was interested in my story. That news surprised me and the passive voice will be: I was surprised at that news. This pot contains milk. And answer is: milk is contained in this pot. Some other typical examples: rose smells sweet. This is an active voice and its passive voice will be: rose is sweet when smelled. Next is: sit down and its passive voice will be seated. Next is: one must do one's duty and its answer will be: duty must be done. Last but not the least, I hope to win and its passive voice will be: it is hope that I shall win.